What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and here today with a Sunday Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. You guys, I really didn't plan on doing 3 days in a row of hauls, but when I sat down to film and I looked at all my bags, I realized that I actually had a lot to share. So the first thing I want to start off with is something that you saw me haul in, I don't know, maybe yesterday's video. But these are the Butterfinger Peanut Butter Crisp bars. And I went ahead and I opened one up. I had one already, but I wanted to just let you guys know how delicious these are. I'm going to take a bite and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside, because I think you guys are really going to love these if you haven't tried them yet. You guys, these are so good. It looks kind of like a wafer cookie on the inside, but it's really crunchy and crispy, but you still really have that strong taste of Butterfinger. If you guys are a peanut butter lover, which I am, I really, really love the taste of peanut butter and chocolate. Next, I got these Plackers Flossers for Gator, and these are fruit smoothie swirl flavored, and he really loves these, and I think these are really great for kids. However, as your kids get older, they would probably need the normal size Plackers or just normal dental floss. But I have used these when in a pinch, you know, out running errands or after eating a snack. But I really like the Plackers adult varieties. They're really good too. I was actually excited when I found this toilet paper, and I know that sounds funny, but come on you guys, this is Quilted Northern. You get 4 rolls that are equivalent to 8 normal size rolls. These are the double rolls. This feels super nice and super soft. I've heard people say that they gave up on their Charmin because they liked this better, and not just because of the price, but just because it's so good and nice. It says this is ultra soft and strong with clean stretch, and it has this little bubble sticker circle here, and it says try, secure, clean. So I don't know what they're wanting us to do, if they're wanting us to like poke a hole in the bag and feel it, but you can feel it through the bag. It is super nice. I went ahead and got 5 or 6 packages of this, and I was just really impressed that this was at Dollar Tree. Again, I only found it at one location. Speaking of name brand items, I was really happy to find this because they had about 4 or 5 varieties of Armor All products. They had the protectant for like your dashboard and your steering wheel and things like that. They had the tire foam, this tire shine. They had a lot of Armor All products, and we get 4 ounces. So, I mean, it's a small bottle, but this would probably do the trick. Like, say you go and get your car washed and then you want to get your tires looking nice. I'm guessing one of these bottles would probably work on all 4 tires. If your tires are anything like mine after winter time, they are going to be extremely thirsty and they're going to want to drink the whole bottle. They're really, really going to need that moisture. Here's one more car item that sounded kind of fun. These little Refresh car diffusers looked so cute, and guess what the scents are, you guys? Fresh strawberry and cool lemonade. Gator wasn't with me the day that I picked these out, but he loves strawberry. He loves anything strawberry. And I thought if they smelled anything like strawberry or cool lemonade, that these would be really cute for summertime and that he would probably really, really like them. So I pretty much got these because of him. But I really like the little diffusers, and I think we have, here's how they look on the back. They have a little clip and you just put them on your vent. If you guys were with me on my last live stream in Dollar Tree, you'll remember how excited I was to find these. I found these in location number 1 in the new store, and I told you guys that this was my first time ever finding printed scissors in Dollar Tree. I've been watching hauls for years, and I've seen so many people haul so many cute scissors, and it was just finally my day. They had 2 other prints besides these. They had one in polka dot. I think the other one was also in some sort of blue print, but I really, really like the floral one a lot. I wish the print matched a little bit more with the handles, but that's okay. So I really love the floral one. And then I really, really love the stripy one. I think it's so happy and pretty. And again, these are by who? Jot, our favorite line in Dollar Tree. Jot never disappoints. And I have always been satisfied with all of the scissors that I've gotten out of Dollar Tree. So these will be going in our family pen bucket where we keep scissors and we keep our keys and pens and pencils and, you know, little reminders and stuff. But these will be really cute to put out there because they're so bright and happy. You guys know why I had to get this cute little eraser, and this is not like an eraser for your paper. This is actually a whiteboard eraser, and the cute little cactus matches some of the other things that you've seen in the teaching section, the little like corkboard decorations. And this design also matches the new stickers that came out that kind of had the glitter on them and the centipedes and the rainbows. And I really love that this is magnetic because it'll stick right to your whiteboard. And then they had one other design. I can't even remember what it was. Actually, they had two other designs, but I've really been happy with some of these magnetic whiteboard erasers. I have a flower that I got, I think it was last year, and it's still sticking to the whiteboard and it's still erasing and it's still looking cute, so I had to get this little guy. To those of you that were with me on my live stream, you saw the dilemma I was having. They had the Boston Terriers, they had a really cute llama or alpaca, they had a really pretty new floral, but I don't know, something about this one, it has sort of a India vibe or Indian vibe. I really, really like the elephants, and I love all the tropical leaves and flowers, and I think the color scheme is just so pretty. I have one of these in my closet right now, and I really like it. You open it up, and the drawers are just a simple white. I mean, this is not the most, you know, quality piece. Definitely check your drawers before you bring them home. But I just really, really thought this was pretty. It looks like I have a kind of weird paper situation going on here. Oh, I hope it's going to be okay. I think I can just probably wrap it over. Definitely check for any imperfections. Make sure the little knobs are perfect. If you guys are like me, you get something home and then you have something weird about it and you, like, if you can't fix it, you don't even want it. So if you get one like this, you might have to exchange it. But I am just really, really loving the serenity and beauty of this color scheme. I just think it's so cute. I just love it when I find things on my wish list. It's just so, so satisfying. A couple of you were mentioning these to me, and I think I saw one in a haul. But these are the color changing LED lights, and they feel really soft. They are just little faux roses. It says we get 120 total hours, and they're so pretty. They also had a pink, and I think they also had a red, but I chose the white, and I wanted to open up a pack so that we could look at them together, because I don't think I've seen one yet in action. Let's see, so we have to pull the little thing out. Let's do it. And here we go. I'm imagining that at night, these look a lot more outstanding. So this is how they look in the dark. Wow, these are really pretty. Next, I got this soap from Bolero, and this is the coconut oil and sea salt. And I am in love with the packaging. I really didn't see too many other Bolero products in my store. I saw like a stray bath crystals somewhere, but I smelled it, and to be honest, I didn't really like it. I don't remember what scent it was. But I really do like these soaps. These last a long time in our bathroom just for hand washing. The bar is super big. We get 6.25 ounces. Next, I got this cute little cactus cosmetic bag, and I just wanted to share the tag with you guys. It says Main Street Totes Cosmetic Bags. And it looks like the brand is, or it's distributed by Chartwell Studios Inc. And these are made in China. I really do like the print. It feels sort of wipe clean. It's somewhat silky, but it kind of has a silky and plastic feel at the same time. Like maybe there's a little coating of silky on top of plastic. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So it's just a nice plastic on the inside, which I really like for cosmetic bags because of spills, and sometimes the lid comes off your lipstick or your lippy, or something happens, you know, or something happens to one of your palettes, and then before you know it, you have powder or eyeshadow all over the place. I love that we have a variety of cactus or cacti here, and I think the print is so cute. You guys know that I went crazy when I saw this in my store. To those of you that were with me on my live stream or watched it on playback, this little I'm Sharp cactus tumbler really got my attention, and I kind of freaked out when I saw it. I think it's super cute, and I love the fact that this little guy is on both sides. And I also love the fact that this is BPA free. Now, this pair of flip-flops I bought last year, and I was saving it for this year because I just didn't end up using them last year, but I really love this print. And I found that they have so many new flip-flops, but also that they're bringing back some from last year. Here's another pair that really goes with the theme of everything that Dollar Tree has going on in their summer section. We have the tiki bar, the real like luau theme, the tropical flowers, the tiki masks. So I'm not sure if this one was brought back this year or not, but I am really in love with the whole tiki luau island party like tropical theme that Dollar Tree has going on this year, because to me that really embodies what summertime feels like. Now on to some flip-flops that are brand new. I bought this pair for Birdy. This is size 7-8. And I wish they had an 8-9, but I wear an 8.5, so I usually tend to get the 9-10 because these ones are just a little bit small for me. But I love this print, and I really hope it doesn't all wear off. We'll probably just wear these to the pool. My kids often wear their better sandals and better flip-flops during the summer, you know, but to the pool, oftentimes we just wear our cheapies because it's just a ride to the pool and a ride back home, and you know, these are perfect. And they're just super trendy and cute, and Birdy really likes having a variety of flip-flops. I'm looking around, you guys, and all I have left is empty bags, except for the pair that I got for me, which again is slightly bigger. It actually looks a whole lot bigger. Hopefully they're not too big. But again, you guys, I just love these, and I love that we can find cute and fun and trendy things at Dollar Tree. And so I will definitely continue to share with you what some of my favorite items are. If you enjoyed my haul, please let me know that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.